Mom, is that actually the entrance to the hidden chamber?
Huh? Easy there, Anna. Let's take a careful look at this ancient surprise first.
A golden monkey toy! I told you I'd find the primate treasure!
Wait, what? A diamond doll for Anna? And my own old hat for me?
I had a nightmare. A treasure nightmare, where the universe gave me nothing but a hat.
Maybe the universe is telling you that your fashion sense needs an ancient upgrade, David.
Hello?
Yes, this is David.
The tour office?
Carlos is sick?
I see. We'll be ready.
Good morning. I am Professor Alvarez.
Oh.
We believe your stone discovery is the key to Peru.
Your stone piece matches an unsolved ancient puzzle in a high-altitude mountain site.
Peru? Do they have llamas? And more importantly, do they have real treasure?
Yesterday, we were looking at a sloth, and today we are flying to another country.
Life moves fast with this family. Too fast for my heart rate sometimes.
These markings reflect light strangely. They are not just drawings. They are coordinates.
Repeat after me. Symbol, pattern, match.
Symbol, pattern, match. We must match the stone to the sun. The mountains look like giants sleeping under a white blanket of clouds.
Welcome to Lima. Tonight we rest, tomorrow we climb into history.
Look at these patterns on the walls. They look exactly like the stone piece.
I hope the treasure in Peru is more than an old hat, for my pride's sake.
This is like a storybook train. Look at the height we are reaching.
Maya, look! A real alpaca! It looks so fluffy and fashionable.
David, look! The lines moved when the sunlight hit them. The angle is the key.
We are close now. The ancient site is just a short hike from this village.
Maya, a short hike in Peru seems to mean a vertical climb to heaven.
This site has been silent for 1,000 years. Until today.
Spirals represent the sun. Waves represent time. We are walking through time itself.
This is the pattern wall. No scholar has ever unlocked its secret.
It doesn't fit the groove. Maybe we were wrong about the connection?
Mom!
Don't put it on the wall. Put it in the light. Like the airport window. Like this? Let me adjust the angle. A little lower. Sideways. It's glowing! You did it! You've projected the lost symbol of the Inca.
This is extraordinary. You've unlocked a secret held for decades.
It's not gold or diamonds. It's a peace treasure. It feels so warm.
This brings harmony. You are now officially members of Team Explorer.
Would you like to see the world's masterpieces next? Maybe in France?
Huh?
As long as there are no more nightmare hats, I'm ready for anything.
Life is full of surprises. Don't forget to subscribe to our next adventure. From the mountains of Peru to the streets of Paris. This is amazing.
Dad! Dad! Look! The Iron Giant is real. Can we climb to the very top?
If the mountains didn't get me, the French traffic definitely will. Stay close, kids.
This is where the world's history sleeps. Ready for a different kind of puzzle?
Look for the gallery of ancient symbols. Something links to Peru.
These look like pictures, but they tell a story, just like our stone. Mom, look at the rays. They have the same little dots at the end.
Finally, a treasure I can appreciate. High-quality caffeine and buttered bread.
The disc you found is reacting to the full moon. Check your bag. It's glowing again. But the color is different. It's searching for something nearby. I'm not walking, David! This thing is pulling me toward the cathedral! Look at the shadows on the ground. They are forming a hidden map.
It's pointing to the north. Does that mean our next stop is London?
London it is. Better pack the umbrellas, Team Explorer. Adventure never sleeps.
Welcome to the land of Big Ben and red buses.
Where's the mystery? I want to see the crown jewels. Does the disc point to the palace?
I miss the Peruvian sun. This British weather is its own kind of puzzle.
The Rosetta Stone is inside. It's the ultimate key to all secrets.
There is a hidden inscription on the pedestal's back.
To find the heart of time, look where the sun meets the river.
We have exactly 15 minutes to get to the Thames River. Run!
The disc! Hold it up toward the Tower Bridge right now.
It's a whale. No, it's a submarine. What is that shape?
Those are coordinates for Egypt. The Great Pyramids are calling us.
From freezing rain to melting heat, my hat is finally useful.
Thousands of years of history are looking down at us right now.
Mom, the stone is talking again. It's a heartbeat. I can feel it.
Only those with the sun disk may enter the Chamber of Light.
It's so shy. Is this the real treasure room this time, Dad?
Everything is connected. The mountains, the river, and now the desert.
Look at the ceiling. It's showing the stars from 4,000 years ago.
Don't move! It's like a security system from the Bronze Age.
A new map. But this looks like the Great Wall of China.
China? Well, at least they have great dumplings there. Let's go!
This wall goes on forever.
How do we find a hidden mark here?
I see a dragon. A stone dragon carved into the mountainside.
That's not a rock, that's a sensor. The disc must be near it.
Easy, Sarah. We're explorers, not stunt performers.
It's opening! A hidden door inside the Great Wall. This is a library of the first emperors. All wisdom is here.
We have waited for the guardians of the sun disk for centuries.
Are we really guardians?
Does that mean we get special capes? Inside is the Compass of Winds. It leads to the final piece. From ancient silence to the loudest city on Earth. Where now?
It's pointing toward Tokyo Tower. Old and new are merging. This isn't just a compass. It's a signal detector. The treasure is digital.
I knew my teenage years in the arcade would pay off. Look!
Scan it quick, Mom. It's a link to a satellite coordinate.
The final destination. The Temple of Global Harmony.
It's so beautiful here. It smells like spring and magic.
This is it. The end of the journey. What now?
For the harmony of the world, let the light return home.
Look! The light is connecting all the places we visited.
The world is one big puzzle, and we finally finished it.
No gold, but the best adventure ever. I'm proud of us.
I don't need a new hat. This one has seen the world.
Every end is a new beginning. Where to next, kids?
Australia! I want to see kangaroos and hidden desert caves. That's our little secret, isn't it?
Finally, some peace.
But why is my grill beeping? Oh no, not again. Team Explorer, get your bags.
You heard the man. The Outback is waiting for us.
Australia, here we come. I hope the spiders aren't big. Adventure is calling, and we must answer every time.
It looks like giant seashells. Is the treasure underwater?
The Australian sun is no joke. I'm not coming home red.
The magnetism here is off the charts. Something is deep.
Look at them! Do they have secret maps in their pouches?
This is the heart of the continent. And our next headache.
The stars said you would come. The disc needs a song.
It's a musical puzzle. We have to play the right notes.
Follow the rhythm. 1, 2, pause, then 1, 2, 3.
It's an undergreen palace. Look at the wall paintings.
If my boss asks why I'm late, I'm sending this photo.
The sun disk is just the center of a much larger star.
Everyone, place your hands here. We are a team.
I feel like I'm flying. The Earth is telling us a story.
This is a time capsule, an archive for the future.
Even our history is here. We are part of the legend.
The mission isn't gold. It's keeping the world's memory alive.
Watch out, Dad! The waves are bigger than temple doors!
I'll stick to treasure hunting. It's much safer than this.
Take the spirit of the outback. Antarctica is next.
There. Next stop, the South Pole. Do penguins wear jackets?
I can't feel my nose.
Is the treasure a giant heater?
We've detected a heat signature 500 meters under ice.
That's where the disc belongs. To balance the world.
Submarines are easier than surfing. Trust me, I'm an expert.
Look at the whales! They are swimming around the door! If this works, we save the ice caps. No pressure, Dad.
It's reacting to the cold. The energy field is stable.
A jungle under the South Pole? The universe is funny.
It's a backup plan for Earth. A secret garden for us. This is officially the weirdest thing ever. I love it.
The circuit is complete. The world's energy is unified.
We didn't just find treasure. We found our purpose.
Are we retired now? Or is there treasure on the moon?
Let's go home first. I think I left the stove on.
Look, the sunset here is just as beautiful as Peru.
Home sweet home. But why is a drone at our mailbox?
To the Watsons. The galaxy is bigger than you think.
No way.
Oh, wait.
Is that a star map? Are we going to space?
I want to see Mars. I bet they have red llamas there.
Team Explorer, forever, no matter the planet or distance.
This needs more power. And better Wi-Fi for my games. Look at Orion's belt. The middle star is blinking.
Someone is calling us. We have to help them.
Buckle up, kids. This is a bumpy ride to the moon.
Look, Mom. The Earth looks like a giant blue marble.
I've always wanted to try zero gravity yoga. Perfect.
Even in space, a man needs his lucky hat. Ready?
Another temple. The system goes to the stars. One small step for a girl, one giant leap for us.
Adventure is infinite. Together, we are never lost.
No!